Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And thanking you for watching this video and previous videos too. And hope you all benefited from my analysis too. And requesting if you benefit from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel to get the and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. And another thing, if you wants to the previous video, previous analysis, please go to my description box. I will give the previous video link there. I am going to analyze today DJ Industrial Average, Dow Jones, and Dow Jones chart. This is the Dow Jones daily chart. And Dow Jones resistance is 35,000, 35,000 to 35,150 levels, support 34,580, and then 34,220 levels. And sideways bearishness may come in this coming weeks. And another thing, if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can join my course too, to learn the technical analysis to better trade in this market and to maximize your profit and minimize your loss. So if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can join my technical analysis course. And contact with me. And please watch the full chart analysis of Dow Jones. And please watch the full video. This is the daily chart. This is the head and shoulder pattern is breakout and the correction is given, which I told to all of you that 33,684 levels and then 33,950 levels is take the 33,950 levels or closing basis, and this 33,684 levels is a low near to is a breach the low and just breach the low, and that things happened. And now again is rising. So 35,000 to 35,150 levels is the first raise and main resistance levels at this moment for this Dow Jones DJ Industrial Average, and 34,550 levels is the first support levels at this moment, and then 34,220 levels, 34,500 to 34,550 levels is the first support levels, and then 34,220 levels. 34,580 is the main, you can say. This is the crucial support levels first, and then 34,220 levels. This is the main two support levels at this moment. And weekly you see a white hammer pattern is there. So if above 34,900 levels is trade and decisively and trade above that levels, then we can think about that the bullishness. And and another thing, if 35,000 to 35,150 levels also a resistance levels which to be breached required to breach that for the further great bullishness. But at this moment I am not thinking about the best bullishness may come. I think a sideways movement may come in this next week or next week is so next week on so. Sideways to bearishness may come in this next week. So this is my next view on technical analysis. RSI is also, you will see, near to 50 and MACD is a downtrend and curve. So pausing the bearishness, but any is going to cross or not. If cross, then another bullishness may come, or if not cross that MACD line to dotted line, then another bearishness may come. So we have to watch that how it's going. Weekly MACD is still falling. And RSI is a bearishness is there. And look like a head and shoulder, you just see in the weekly pattern. So if this break this 54, 55 levels, then it can go to big bearishness may come in this Dow Jones also. So we have to be cautious. So sideways bearishness maybe in this coming weeks may come. So we have to know go if a breach not 35,000, 35,150 decidedly if it not to breach, and then we cannot go for the long position. This is my view based on technical analysis. And 34,550 to 580 levels is the first resistance levels, and then 34,220 is the second support levels. These are two support levels. 34,580 and then 34,220. These are the two support levels for this DJ industrial average or Dow Jones industrial average, you can say, for the next week. And 35,000 to 35,150 is the first the major resistance levels for the DJ industrial average. This is my view on next on based on technical analysis. And another thing, this video is for the learning purpose, not giving any buying or selling recommendation through this video. If anyone wants to trade on my video, please consult with your financial advisor before taking any position, or you can analyze the chart within yourself. If any help required, please write down in my comment box. I will try to help you. And hope you all benefited from my analysis. If you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon to get the instant notification too. And if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course to learn the technical analysis and trade the better in this market on based on technical analysis, you can join my technical analysis course. Then I can assure you that your loss will be very minimized, and maximize your profit, and your portfolio will be always in a better position, and always be profitable. That can I assure you. So thanking you for my all friends. If anyone wants to join, please contact with me. And thanking you for watching this video, and we request to all of you Please like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And thanking you to all of you again.